Theo, what do you have?
So you can't have both of them. You can't have both of them.
You can't.
Hey guys, you want to see what I have?
Theo, are you taking candy? No? That's candy for the other kids. I don't know if this is a good idea, buddy. Theo, can you say trick or treat?
Yes.
Maggie, can you say trick or treat?
Yes.
Okay, which bucket can I have?
Hey, I have a rope band, and then I have...
Theo, can I have some candy?
Okay.
Theo, can I have some candy? Theo, can I have one?
Look what I got.
Oh boy. Maybe you can have one of those tomorrow.
Maybe I can have one of these tomorrow.
Yeah.
Because I'll wake up and... Oh, it's still here. Theo and Mom, guess what I have?
What's that?
Look.
Cool.
I can sit down on your lap. Why is he...
I'm watching Theo be a little stinker. That's okay, Sally, don't worry.
Theo, don't take all those out.
That's okay. He's just playing with them.
Why?
Sit
And these
back.
are other M&Ms because they like M&Ms. They're just hard to eat. They're only for big boys.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're not for Theos.
No.
But I know how to open these. But you know, there's a lot in here for everyone.
Theo, that's Sully's.
Theo, that's mine.
Yep, that's yours.
Yeah. Hey.